Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best EDC flashlight in this video? I will show you the top 5 best EDC flashlights to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5, Loop SK01S LEP Flashlight. Specifications. Brand name, Lumintop. Model number, Loop SK01S. Function, hard light. Focal length, adjustable. Wattage, 20 watts. Color, white. Switch mode, high/middle/low. Zoom, yes. Support dimmer, 2 to 4 files. Lighting distance, 500 meters. Item number 4 is Minko MK342. Specifications. Brand name, Minko. Model number, MK342. Light source, LED bulbs. Body material, aluminum alloy. Switch mode, high/middle/low. Support dimmer, 5 to 8 files. Lighting distance, 200 to 500 meters. Item type, flashlights. Light output, 34,000 lumens. Beam distance, 283 meters. Waterproof, IPX8. As item number 3 we've selected, Minko FW1 2952 meters flashlight. Specifications. Brand name, Minko. Model number, Minko FW1. Charger, rechargeable. Body material, aluminum alloy. Certification, say, Rose. Flashlight type, camping, walking, searching, traveling, Sofern, Convoy, Astrolux WP3. Waterproof, yes. Lumen, 600. Item type, flashlights. Origin, mainland China. Item number 2 is self-defense flashlight. Specifications. Brand name, Lumintop. Model number, THOR 3. Wattage, 9 watts. Body material, aluminum. Switch mode, high/middle/low. Model of LED beads, T6. Item type, flashlights. Water resistant, IPX8, underwater 2M. Max beam intensity, 1562500 CT max. Lumen, 400 LM max. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Npire SF2. Specifications. Brand name, Npire. Light source, LED bulbs. Model number, Npire SF2. Irradiation distance, 1200 to 1500 meters. Rainproof, IPX5. Size, 156 mm 43 mm 31 Material, aluminum. Charger, rechargeable. Main modes, 3+2 light modes. Output power, 0001 MW. Origin, mainland China.